I decided to try and do unboxing videos on new fans that I get. Now here is something that probably reminds you guys of Fanimation Urban Jet or anything like that. Here's a Unold fan heater, classic red, and this me apart from a Fanimation Urban Jet that reminds me of an early Vornado fan. Anyway, it seems like a German brand, but it's probably made, according to the man, I think it's made in maybe China or something like that, I think. Classic red. Pause it if you want to read it in any other language. Oh, here. I thought there's some side of this. English. Oh, this is meant to be the English. So this is meant to be the English side of this exactly. That is what's probably meant to be. Find it kind of dark in this room. Let's turn this on. We did test it, but they opened it from the bottom. The man opened it from the bottom, so did this already. We got this, by the way, at the Sunday market at HKA, which is my old school, but they moved into a new building. Their old school had a ton of SMC K56s. I saw a couple of DMCs as well. One DMC, sorry. Had a classroom going with some more K56s in it. And their new building, they demolished their old one. The new building does not have any ceiling fans and classrooms apparently, but they have central air conditioning and they have some unique bladeless wall fans, which I'll show you later. But no fans in the classrooms, unfortunately. But it's not the most convenient thing in the world because they don't have to get pedestal fans, you know. Polystyrene. Yeah. I like how these things have handles. But anyway. If you want to turn on the fan, it's many, but it's not that many. It doesn't have a safety cutoff switch, as in if it stumbles over, it will not turn on. Here are the blades. Very retro style. Kind of demand is meant to be 50s design, and this heater, specifically this heater, could have been in production since the 1970s or so. If you were wondering what that's... This is my brother playing the piano. There you go. It's got a filter. Yeah. so it doesn't get the burning smell whenever some thing goes inside. Now what I like to do is this, there's a wire here. I like to wrap it around the cord. If you guys don't have to see upside down. Yeah, it's not the best background music you can get in the world. Make sure everything's soft so this I can show everything when I plug it in. Can we? Yeah, it's done. Let's see how it performs. I'll make another video showing the performance.